we push X?
Now? Yeah.
We push X.
God.
Alright. Yep.
Alright.
Okay, well,
Anyway.
Alright.
Alright, Tim, you can start the recording now.
My reason behind this team is because Rain loses to Stall and Pangora beats.
Not our Latios loses to Latios.
Wait, who's playing my games?
We sub on this, yeah.
Oh, of course. Alright, well, we just go to it, so.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
What do you
click? X.
Oh.
No, just talk.
Oh.
You're like 2 seconds ahead of me. I do too. Oh man.
Honestly, dude, we don't deserve to win when we have Pangoro Rain.
Dude, you guys are gonna use so many different kinds of rain. It's gonna be insane.
Bro, I got an X team because I gotta get another good rain. We gotta get ready for the other Pokemon who's gonna be getting up in Sun and Moon, being one of the best Pokemon in the game.
No.
Gigalith?
Nope, that's not it. Keep guessing. Slush Rush, it's over.
Wait, you have Beartic Rain?
Beartic Rain, yes.
Well,
Next,
I gotta do something. Let's
I
go.
gotta fix it. I gotta go fix it. Hold up.
Of course.
That works, I guess.
Yeah. Thanks for the rain. Alright, well. Give me my kill. Give me my kill.
Oh, he got you with that whirlwind.
Okay, he went into his counter. Oh, that is a counter. That is a counter.
Round 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna burn it, so it doesn't matter. Yeah. Well, okay.
Okay.
You said you were gonna get your kill. You wanted to oblige.
Yep. You want it? Alright, well. This is definitely X. I was wrong. This is an X. This wasn't X. This was not X.
It's okay. He's bad, so it's fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna click X probably.
You'll probably.
Want to see me listen?
He doesn't have like anything to hit you, man.
Dragon Pulse. What the fuck?
Yeah, he's probably just gonna. No, I think he's gonna go Tyranitar. Alright, watch this play.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh god. Nope.
Oh.
And back out we go.
Yeah, I can't touch.
But why would he go T-Tar? I don't get why you thought he was gonna go T-Tar.
Because he made
Why'd you stay in?
That's the only reason.
Yeah.
Can't predict bad players.
Alright, well, I'm back in. Hello.
Yeah, he's gonna recover. Just Sword Stance right here, no problem.
It's time.
Oh wow, that actually did a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. As soon as alright, I can get a Brox now. Nice. Nice. That's all I needed.
Defogger is dead.
I hope he kills me. Like, because I just need rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. 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 Good.
Watch, he's got defog Charlie.
Imagine. He's like, I've been preparing for this moment my entire life.
Yeah, he's gonna get a defog off on the rain team. Yep.
What's a switch into this monster?
Apparently Tyranitar.
Apparently it's Tyranitar.
Apparently, man. Didn't Rain only have like 1 turn left anyway?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, monster. No.
Well, sucks for you, man. He's making
he's
plays.
Of course he knocked off. Ridiculous.
The best play. One of the best plays.
Yeah, see? Did you see me make those plays? Did you see me? Fake. Let's play. And I scald everything to death, though. GG.
Even Militech.
Yep, even the Militech. Yep. I'm gonna burn it on top if it's toxic. Why is nobody talking shit in chat? What the hell?
Oh yes, let's
Wait, who clicked Ice Beam? No.
fucking Aaron.
Wait, hold on, no. I'm not watching. I'm on the sidelines right now. I'm still trying to get my mind right from what happened last game.
Did you see me predict that? Like, I'm like levels ahead of this guy.
The like
Well,
Click
there
the
goes
ice
that.
beam.
the no burn wonder.
Oh, this game's over.
Yeah. This is how you play rain, people. This is how you play it.
I'm gonna show you.
I'm the rain god. They call me Sonny.
Yeah, oddly enough, they call him Sonny when he's a rain god.
Because I bring out the light.
He's an air slash guy.
No!
Whoa.
I have
Whoa.
Poppy Toad. Stop playing my games.
And then we go King Dren, GG.
Why, who sacked off Angora? We needed the sack.
It's all good. We're good. He left the man.
No, we might. Yeah. Boom. GG, easy. Let's go. Alright.
Just make sure all of us say good games so he knows he was
Aaron,
fucking.
please put in a good team.
It's not even a. It's not even a rain team.
We're supposed to be using rain? We're supposed to be using rain?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was a rain live, yeah.
Whatever.
You don't.
Gyarados is a water type. That's good enough.
Yeah.
It's got one water move.
I wanted to use the two Pokemon. They're not going to be good in Gen 7. So yeah.
What, Selby and Latias?
No, fucking Gengar. Gengar and
I'm gonna miss Talonflame.
Talonflame.
You can just go back and play your ass meta. Like, come on.
Yeah, okay, but nobody's gonna play ORS for like at least
Yeah.
like first year.
Oh wait, I'm supposed to be playing this game, huh?
It's like when you're jerking off and you have like a belt tied around your neck, like you're trying to like hold
Wait,
off
who do
for
I
everyone
leave?
else.
That's it. That's the exact same thing, Tim. The exact same analogy.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna lead Orlando. But you could lead Selby.
Dude, Jumpin' Shark keeps joining all of our battles now. Just leave Storm, you're good.
No, we're gonna die from ether.
He's got
He's not
heat,
gonna hit you, and I'm gonna nasty plot.
he's got Heat Wave Landers, man.
We die.
I'm gonna live on 8.
All right. So
Setting up rocks.
Dude, who's Mega Mewtwo EX? Does
I
anyone
don't know.
know?
I don't know, but he's my new best friend.
Yeah, no, he's pretty savage. So.
Yeah, you're the trashiest person. I don't even know you.
Oh, now Leaf Storm just blows the defenders away.
Yeah, just blow this fucking. Well, he's gonna go Magic Cross.
Then you baton pass and then go Dougie and kill it.
Go who?
Dougie. Yeah, don't you Baton Pass go into Gengar and just kill like every single member?
You're the
Yeah,
trashiest person. Oh, man.
That's if he doesn't like just stay in for no reason.
Or win this somehow speed tie with Latias.
Well, we always win the speed test, so there's that.
Yeah, that's true.
All right,
Click the timer.
make your play.
His Latias.
I did already. He did. He hasn't moved yet.
All right, don't give me an ass.
Oh, goodbye.
Yeah, I figured he might just stay in. He's threatened. I think we're gonna turn this from a rain live to a heat of Fida. So
What's he gonna do? Flamethrower?
Yeah, that's exactly what he's gonna do.
How's the 73
Yeah, he's
GXE
gonna
trash?
switch. Well, no, he's not gonna volt switch.
I don't think he's gonna volt switch with the Doug Trio.
Yeah, but I don't know. These people on the ladder just click buttons, so.
All right, I'm gonna go Doug Trio then. If you make me lose this game, it's on you.
No. Let's not go to Trio. Like there's. Wait, what do we do? Oh, okay.
I'm really glad you didn't go.
Oh.
Shut up, trash, dude. Make him you.
Double into Doug Trio.
Oh, just
Go on
defog.
Metagross.
Just defog.
Make him use my new best friend, man.
Oh,
Shut up,
yeah,
trash.
Wait, why are we life orb on the trio? Why are we not Sash?
Wait, what? I don't know.
What does life orb do?
Wait, what should I do?
It's supposed to be
Whatever.
Sash.
Just
I don't know
what
why
I'm
it's
doing.
life orb.
Why is like Trey going so hard on
Wait,
this?
Wait, why did we say?
Wait, I freaking defogged.
Somebody's sabotaging our game.
It's definitely Tim. We're gonna watch this video and we're gonna
Yeah.
buttons.
And now I can't switch out because he's probably gonna pursue.
Yeah, what the fuck? When was Psyshock ever the play?
Defogged.
What the fuck? This is regular? Oh yeah, well he's regular Mega Man Electric then. Yeah.
I mean, would he bring regular Manectric?
Maybe there's actually somebody I used to face like a long time ago, like on like the like the 1700s, where he would run
great.
Mark Electric and just switcheroo. I don't know why, but people are crazy. Alright, well, time to die.
Please don't click anything but Earthquake.
Remember when we get trapped with the Manectric when we had Sash? Good time.
I mean, we're still faster than he is before he Mega Evolves, though.
Oh, wow.
That was a crit.
The crew is trash. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Hey, no, Talonflame wins. No, we don't. Never mind. He has Manectric.
Why are we not Roos Talonflame?
Wait, why does Gyarados not win yet? Besides the Keldeo?
Why are we SD U-turn Talonflame?
Because you U-turn on like switch-ins like Heatran and then you go into your Doug Trio.
Yeah, but where's the roost?
I don't know, man. I got this from a friend. I didn't notice.
Bullet Punch.
Aaron definitely built this. 100%.
No, what
He's trying to take it all back now. He's like, oh, I didn't make it now.
Like Rip Gengar. Which is about to die. He's probably just gonna send in Manaphy.
Who the fuck's Underworld Hybrid?
Too bulky for you. What the fuck? Mega.
I hate Trey. I fucking hate Trey. I'm putting Majo in just because I hate Trey.
I hate
Fucking hate that guy. Okay. So we have a shot. If he lets us die. If he lets us
he's faster. He's probably gonna have overheat.
Guys, just let me talk to Mega Mew. That's gonna be my contribution.
He'll dodge. No.
I mean, the only thing that he could switch in really is Gladius, and even then, not right now.
Damn it! Whoever's talking to Mega Mew is taking all my stuff.
It's my job. I'm supposed to.
It's like the only thing I'm good at is talking crap and making up stories.
Oh,
It's like you don't need me for fucking like Facebook tours talking crap. That's my deal.
Here we go. We'll talk shit, Tim. Let's go.
Okay.
Who the fuck nasty plotted?
Let me just baton pass that to Gengar and win. No, we don't. Because you mega
Recover. Recover now. Whoever.
mega evolve in electric. We lose. We lose. We actually lose this game.
Wait, do we?
Whose team is this?
I have no idea.
Aaron's team.
I have no clue whose team this is.
Is
Wait,
Aaron?
If he did, wait a minute. If he lets us weaken the. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah,
We lose.
We lose because of fucking Mega Electric.
Well, we do actually.
Of course he is overheat.
Wait, he's overheat. So like, can we still win with that? Dragon Dance with Mega?
No, he still has Mana Field full.
Doesn't matter. We're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it. Exactly. It's Mega and Mega.
If he doesn't have Energy Ball and Mana Field, I guess he could win.
We just get to +2 and we win.
I mean, what the fuck is that gonna do when I'm fucking crunching his ass?
He's gonna go eat it up real good.
All right, so we have to. I think we have to like predict the Draco miss. We have to Dragon Dance again.
What?
I mean,
What did you say?
we're doing it.
Wait, hold on. We don't have to.
Wait.
We don't have to see it. What is this? What Gyarados is this?
We win.
What kind
This set just won us this game. Okay.
What's no?
We win now.
One more Dragon Dance.
No. Alright, I'm clicking Dragon Dance.
Dude, Dragon Dance could have been awesome.
Wait, hold on. I think we have to flinch the Mana Field. Oh wait, no, he went into this instead.
Hold on.
No, just crunch, because then you could go into Talon after, and then Brave Virgin.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna Waterfall.
Wait.
No,
what?
crunch, yeah. See?
He's pushed the evolve now.
Yep,
See,
yeah,
now we're
exactly
good.
soft.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Well,
won.
he lost.
Oh no! Oh no!
Uh,
Oh god, he's gonna get
Oh,
the
no.
Oh wait, what is that leftover roll?
Why does he protect Manaphy?
Are we going?
He's
for
gonna
the-
protect again.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now we can get some.
imagine he was Rocky Helmet.
That's why he goes into it.
What flinch this? Waterfall flinch this.
Yeah, and we're gonna win.
All right,
Oh,
well,
never mind. He dies. Okay, we win.
see,
GG.
Luigi's a god. He played that immaculately.
Hello, it's the team. He got carried by the team.
Nah, I think Luigi's is the best. All right, you turn here. Don't actually click your.
Imagine he lived on one.
All right, Tim, you want a team?
Yeah, I mean, sure. Like, I have a rain team actually.
All right, set it up.
Oh, do you? Okay, let's see it. Why haven't we seen a Ludicolo in this live yet?
You want to use?
Dude, how drunk was I last night? I just have a team with one Electabuzz.
Hey Tim, do you want to use the Namir team?
No, fuck a mirror.
in the recording that he's gonna watch.
There's no way a mirror gets this far, man.
Yeah.
What is this team?
I got it from Arjun.
Alright, nobody click buttons except for Tim.
Yeah, and the only person who touches buttons is Tim. That's it.
Yeah. I actually don't know what to do, really. Fuck, I didn't touch anything.
We live.
What the fuck?
Wait, who did it? Who did it?
Yeah, I'm not even on my.
Alright, I'm messaging Arjun right now. Telling him. I'm letting him know right now.
Dude, what the fuck? I didn't touch anything.
What does that do?
Just switch
Arjun,
out.
piece of shit.
You got played.
Yeah, you did.
Right into Pincer.
I mean, I feel like he is really fucking just taking over the games.
I'm not even like.
Dude, it would be hilarious if Arjun was just in here saying nothing, like muted, just clicking
Like the
buttons.
other, no, guys. Like the other day, me and
Oh,
Arjun, like,
thank God.
Wait, did you click hypnosis though?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Because fuck it, you know?
I'd be like, he's actually doing something useful for us.
But yeah, yesterday I let Arjun on his account because we were laddering. So it's like he has his account, so and he's the only person I know who does.
Wait, don't mega yet.
Oh,
Oh, that's fine. Did you swords dance?
I did.
Yeah.
All right, let's kill this.
Watch him be scarfed.
Carstone Edge, and we live. Don't worry.
Oh.
Whatever, return.
Oh.
He was.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good thing we found that out.
That just makes
Oh,
it
dude.
dangerous.
Ah, come on.
Wait, what's a rocker on his team?
He doesn't have one.
Hello. Why does he have Rock's pincer? That's like the new thing.
Let's do this. Fuck it.
Hydro.
I did click Hydro. Don't use that. Yeah, I'm super bad. Yeah.
I don't use that. What the fuck does that mean? Why is it letting everything die?
Oh no, I'm gonna click it one more time though, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, he let his like main water resist die. We still have a shot to win this game.
No, we're done.
Yeah, we can't lose.
That's what we said last game too, though.
Well, if we're gonna lose, I'm just gonna do this then. It's fine.
Wait, no.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Oh,
It's fine. See, it's fine. I told you. Told you it's fucking done. It's good.
Alright, well, just Hydro again.
Fuck it, he's switching out.
I like this guy. He just agrees with everything.
Boom.
Like, you're right, it is easy.
You gotta do it again.
Like, whatever, just weaken my entire fucking team.
Oh, okay. All right.
Guys, we're running out
Yeah,
So when are
two.
we gonna use our suicide lead?
of... Yeah,
Switch it to Polytone.
My suicide lead is for later.
Wait, why
He's
do
just
we
gonna
get
explode.
why do we get walled like this? Oh,
See, if we had a bear tick, this wouldn't be a problem.
Fuck's wrong with you,
Well, we
man?
had a pincer.
wait.
We had a fucking pincer.
My girlfriend wanted to FaceTime and I told her I was in the shower. Mons for life.
Yep.
You were in the shower.
Like, can I just tell her that you're actually on Skype? You fucking lied and said you're in the shower.
Yeah.
You're expecting to tell my girlfriend I play Pokemon? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, we're doing this.
No, just say you're on Skype. Like, you don't have to say you're on Pokemon. Oh, I'm in the shower.
Hey, yeah, I'm on Skype, babe. Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
So, do you think I get rocks up or just explode?
You get wrong.
Rain dance. Rain dance.
Wait, no.
Oh, perfect.
You could have taunted, actually.
Oh, well.
No, explode. He's gonna wisp. Explode.
Nice.
I mean, he's just gonna Brave Bird you.
Yeah, just wait.
No, he's gonna predict Kabutops.
Explode on him. Explode.
Allah Akbar. Let's go.
Acrobatics,
Oh, yeah.
actually.
He already has his Gen 7 talent flame ready.
What is this Kabuto?
Dude, who the fuck's pressing buttons here?
Why is this our hazard control? Why?
Waterfall. Just waterfall. Whoever clicked it.
I did actually click waterfall.
Okay.
I'm not dealing with those misses, man.
Imagine he was flame body.
Confirm we lose. Oh, why do you go into this?
I don't know. But we're gonna press waterfall and win. No?
No.
You want to get that crucial damage off.
Dude, now we're in range of U-turn, Andrews. This guy's a professional.
Oh, we have Aquager, right? On deck? Let's go. Let's just sack everything off. Let's not go to the Tangrowth.
What am I?
I don't know. That's Mr. Jambad right there.
Or spinner.
Now we Stone Edge crit, you know.
Just crit this.
Boom.
Wait,
There we
wait,
go.
don't we already have somebody asleep?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Hello? Hello?
This motherfucker.
Let's go Polydode instead of praying again. No.
Nah, we're
Oh,
good.
you flicked
Wait,
it.
why'd you waterfall?
There's only like 2 seconds left there.
But now go Kingdra Ice Beam. No, wait, we don't have Ice Beam.
I don't have ice cream.
What?
Let's
No,
go
set
this
up the
and
rain.
yeah.
Set
there
up
we
the
go.
rain and then you can hydro.
Yeah, yeah. Let's just let this go back to full with Giga Drain.
I mean, there's no other choice.
Yeah, seriously.
Let's see what the fuck he's doing here.
And he fucking knocked off.
Alright, well,
That sucks for me.
hypnosis. Let's go.
Oh my
Why are you
god.
not switching out to King
Yep.
Drew?
Easy.
Because it's hypnosising, dude.
So
Here we
easy.
go, Kingdra.
There we go, Kingdra. Huh? Yeah,
Go
fucking
Lando
make
there.
plays, you idiots. I actually do have surf, so.
Can we just
You
drink
know what? He's gonna win now.
Dragon Pulse.
Or Jet Dragon Pulse, I think.
Dope. On deck. No.
Easy.
Oh, that was nice.
Alright, now you go Polydode.
Because I'm awesome.
Barrister.
About Easter.
Wait, do I go, Okay, never mind. We crit and win. It's fine.